Hi everyone, it is not raining today, and so we're gonna put up some Christmas lights. My neighbors are showing me up on their Christmas light displays, and I am very jealous. I admit it, I'm fully jealous, and I want to get our Christmas lights up. I'm gonna go out, grab our Christmas light boxes from the shop back there, and then bring you with me as I decorate the front of the house. Let's go. I'm going to go into the shop and grab our Christmas boxes, and I'm gonna leave you out here because our shop is a bit messy and I just don't want to show you that. So I will show you what I normally do, and then I'm thinking of mixing it up a bit this year and maybe doing a little bit more. So normally I hang Christmas lights along here and over the roof over there and down the side on the other side of the house. We also put lights around that tree and these bushes for net lights. In the past, we've had bushes at the front of the house in that bed right there, but those are all taken out, so we only have small flowers. I'm not sure what I want to do with that. Maybe I'll line the garden bed with them. But what I'm thinking about doing new this year is putting Christmas lights on those heavenly bamboo that I transplanted earlier this year, and then also along that fence, maybe in like a scalloped swooping. Little beagles want to join us. That is what I'm currently thinking, and then there might be new ideas that I come up with as I go. what to do with all these net lights. So originally we had all the Nandina in a bed here, and then we transplanted them over there. And I'm thinking I'll just put the net lights over them on that side of the driveway and then run an electrical cord across. I can't decide if that's what I want to do or not. Decisions. Just a quick break because I wanted to show you this gorgeous sunset. Look at that. Maybe you can't see it with my face there. I'll show you. Wraps it up for me today. I'm going to put the rest of the decorations up in the shop that I didn't use and all the spare storage bins, and I am done. So I'm going to show you a final shot after this to show you what the house looks like and all the decorations that we did. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button down below, subscribe, let me know in the comment section what you're doing in your area and in your house for decorating for Christmas. If you decorate the outside, the inside, I always love to know everybody's different traditions, and I will do one last shot of all the decorations that we did to show you what everything looks like in the end. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye! With me. Water. You could just see the tail.